equipped with high-powered, flexible actuators at most joints. The risk of cybersecurity threats will probably only increase, so we'll need to be very careful with new operational technology being introduced.
Welcome to our Innovatology podcast, where innovation meets technology and where the future is demystified. I am Marie, the founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I am empowering my clients in bridging IT and the business.
And I'm Cedric, a digital transformation program lead at AB InBev, the biggest beverage company in the world. But together, we are Innovatology, a platform dedicated to decode the complexities of the latest tech and innovations just for you.
Yay! So our journey began that we discovered that there is a gap for providing a platform not only for the experts in innovation and technology, but also for the wider public, where actually we can decode all of the innovations and technology for you. It started in biohacking summits in Amsterdam to, for example, Las Vegas CES.
And now we're here to share that passion with you. Whether you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in your career or you're just curious about the next big thing in the digital world, this is the place to be.
Why to listen to us? Have you ever wondered and were confused about how to actually use artificial intelligence and other technologies and buzzwords that actually are running around us? Well, then the Innovatology is exactly for you, where you can learn how to utilize it and integrate it immediately in practice in your professional and personal life.
Innovatology. Dream it, plan it, do it. Welcome to this episode of Innovatology, your go-to podcast for all things innovation and technology. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking advancement in robotics, brought to us by none other than Boston Dynamics. We're going to explore the latest evolution of the Atlas robot, which is fully electric. The Atlas robot has been a marvel of modern engineering, and the latest edition is no different. It really pushes the boundaries of humanoid robotics. Now, before we go talk about the latest edition, let's first talk about where it all began. Boston Dynamics has been at the forefront of robotic innovation for decades, creating robots that are not only capturing our imaginations, but are also capable of performing complex real-world tasks. Oh my god, I actually still remember the first time when I saw the previous version of the Atlas hydraulics robot walking around in a park, jumping on a parkour track. The amount of motion that it was capable was really insane and was impressive to see. However, now we've come at the next step of its evolution, the electrical version of the Atlas robot. This new electrical version of the Atlas is not just a technical upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what humanoid robots can do. Equipped with high-powered, flexible actuators at most joints, this robot combines the strength of an elite athlete with the precision of cutting-edge technology, enabling movements that are both more fluid and more powerful than ever before. So I can't wait to see even more videos than the ones that we've seen already. Let's really take a moment to admire the sheer fluidity and precision of the Atlas movement as it has just been released. The new electric version of Atlas brings with it an unparalleled level of athletic intelligence and agility. Watching this Atlas move is like watching an athlete in action. There's a grace and power in how it's navigating through its environment, from leaping over obstacles to performing complex maneuvers that combine balance, strength, and coordination. Probably a combination that some of us humans, like me, don't have all at the same time. And to me, actually, one of the most striking capabilities of this new version of Atlas was its ability to adapt its movements in real time. It is equipped with advanced perception systems, and through them, the Atlas can see and understand its surroundings with incredible depth and accuracy. And this allows it to really interact with the world in ways that are truly dynamic and responsive. So this level of movement sophistication is not just about mimicking human emotion, it's about enhancing it, enabling Atlas to perform tasks that might actually extend beyond the human limitations. If you're enjoying our content so far, make sure to follow us on our social media channels.
Like, for example, LinkedIn, where you can become an integral part of our Innovatology community. This space is for like-minded digital nomads like you, who can share, collaborate, and also comment on different tech and innovations.
So don't miss out on this opportunity to network with people who are just as passionate about technology as you are. And let's embark on this journey of innovation together. This Atlas robot will definitely move beyond the lab, and it's groomed for practical applications. So Boston Dynamics is actually starting to pilot tests at the Hyundai facilities, where it will aim to integrate these robots into automotive manufacturing and beyond. This transition will really mark a significant shift towards what Boston Dynamics calls cobiotics, the collaboration between robots and humans in shared working environments. Just imagine a world where Atlas robots are working alongside humans, not just performing repetitive tasks, but also handling complex, unpredictable scenarios. I mean, the potential for reducing workplace injuries, increasing efficiency, and even performing hazardous tasks that are unsafe for humans is immense. And this will translate itself as well on the industrial platform, where it's not only about technological advancements, but it's also about creating real economic value. This can either be in terms of returns on productivity, safety, and innovation. Although companies will probably start out small, like with proof of concepts and pilots. Just like at AB InBev, where we're actually piloting right now another robotic dog that is designed by Boston Dynamics called Spot. This dog is basically doing missions within our brewery facilities, where it's basically walking around, scanning the environment, scanning the machines, and seeing beyond where the eyes and ears can see to trigger preventive maintenance work orders so that we can recover money lost in the future and avoid critical breakdowns of our lines. The same will be true for further developments in cobiotics like this electrical atlas. But I truly believe that for businesses, the opportunities will become vast, from logistics and supply chain, like the use case that I see on a day-to-day basis in the company that I'm currently working for, AB InBev. So from fast-moving consumer goods companies to healthcare to potentially even emergency response. Robots will truly become capable of human-like dexterity and problem solving that can transform operations. They will probably also be able to work in environments that are too dangerous, potentially too precise, or too tedious for human workers. And this will open up avenues for business applications and new services to develop. However, as I'm just talking through this, I do think that we have to address the elephant in the room, which is the ethical considerations of this future vision. Because we do need to keep ensuring that our current workforce will remain to be treated fairly, and that their workload will effectively be augmented when we introduce robotics in their work environment, so that we can truly get to this cobiotic atmosphere, right, where robots and human workforce can work in unity and enhance each other's economic value. We will probably also need to look at additional measures that we need to put in place to secure data and privacy in this increasingly automated world. I mean, the risk of cybersecurity threats will probably only increase, so we'll need to be very careful with new operational technology being introduced. However, I'm really excited for the future that we're looking ahead to together with Boston Dynamics, because they're really envisioning a future where robots like Atlas can become commonplace in our daily lives, not just factories, but also in offices, streets, and potentially even in homes. Like, I mean, probably we already have some robots in our homes. Like, I'm just looking in our corner where we have a little Roomba. These are also already robots that are enhancing our daily lives. So this Atlas is really the next step towards this integration of advanced AI, machine learning, and sensory inputs to in robots that could one day act really as personal assistants or potentially even companions if you need them. But that might trigger a whole other conversation with you. So, to really come to the conclusion of the new electrical version of the Atlas robot introduced by Boston Dynamics, it is really representing a monumental leap in the field of robotics, one that could really redefine how we interact with technology. The business implications will become truly profound, presenting opportunities that can reshape industries and redefine the roles within them. I think that as we stand on the brink of this new era, it's clear that the future of robotics is not just about machines doing human tasks, but it's about creating a symbiotic relationships where humans and robots can benefit. And for those of us who are passionate about innovation and technology, we are indeed living in some exciting times. So thank you for tuning into Innovatology. We look forward to exploring more innovations that are shaping our world. And until next time, keep innovating, keep inspiring, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Dream it, plan it, do it.
Thank you for joining us on this Innovatology episode. Your feedback not only inspires us, but also empowers our Innovatology community.
So remember to follow us on our Innovatology channels because we've got plenty more insights, stories, and guests lined up for you in the future.
So hit that button follow and you will not miss any of the future episodes.
This is Cedric
And Marie,
your guides on the journey of innovation
and technology. Yay!